So the first set has ended 25-14. Kotanze 25, Bishop Sulemeti 14. We're going to the second set. So we are getting to the second set on the far side with Kotanze leading by 1-0. And they have hired some fans here from St. Joseph's Kibwezi. They have come to cheer them. They are hockey players, they are tennis players. We'll get back to Kesagon versus Soweto. Remember, all FCS again so tomorrow we have the main finals, but some of the finals are happening today in different venues. Rugby finals are happening today. Hockey last pool of matches are happening today. And basketball boys finals and other finals will be happening today. So tomorrow we'll have the remaining finals, the closing ceremony here at Bukungu Stadium as we bring to an end the FIES 2025. Good cover. Good backward defense. Good backward defense again. The ball goes out for 6. Soweto 9. Kesagon. On the other side, Kotanze leading Bishop Sulemeti by 1-0 in the second set.
1, 2, 3.
Kesogan age for Soweto. On the other side, on the far side, that is, we have Kwaganse in black, leading Bishop Sulemeti in blue by 1 set to 0.
Ni watoto wa KCB wote, lakini hapa inategemea sasa nani ni wa KCB zaidi. Yote hapana mambo ya shida.
Kesogon, 14 Kesogon and 10 Soweto. 14-10 in the second set. Kesogon 14 and they're serving and 10 for Soweto. Good front court defense for Kesogon and a timeout called by Soweto.
Yegon TV iko na sisi rafiki wa michezo. Bosire yuko. Yegon na Bosire. Kama sio Bosire hakuna Yegon.
on this far side here. Bishop Silimeti decided to bring the game to Kwathanze, and now they are leading by 12-8. Bishop Silimeti 12-8. Kwathanze. Bishop Silimeti bringing the game to Kwathanze. 12-8. 12 Bishop Silimeti. 8 Kwathanze. This is the second set. Kwathanze won the first set by 25-14. This time, Bishop Silimeti are bringing the game to Kwathanze.
Weka mtu hapa. Mwenye atazuia ball, sawa, straight balls. Weka mtu hapa atafanya hivyo. Basi mechi inayokuja sasa ni Cheptil dhidi ya timu ya Rwanda. Usibanduke ewe mpenzi mtazamaji unayeendelea kutazama moja kwa moja mechi itakayoletwa kwetu ndani ya hiyo chombo ama hicho chombo cha mawasiliano. Tunasema kwamba ni mechi ya Cheptil itaingia jukwani. Usibanduke. Endelea kununua bandoli. Iwapo wanunua bandoli.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are
huyo jamaa anayewapatia matangazo. Michezo ni uhai.
Bishop Silimeti leading here. Let's see how Kwathanze reacts. The reaction is 9 for Kwathanze, 13 for Bishop Silimeti. Bishop Silimeti got 14. There, Bishop Silimeti to make it 15-10. 15 Silimeti for Kwathanze. And Kwathanze, they bring the ball hard. 50. Why score? Just the difference. Bishop Silimeti is Bishop Silimeti. Now it's 12 for Kwathanze and 15 for Bishop Silimeti. 3 scores. It's good. And 12 here for Kwathanze. 16-12, Bishop Silimeti. Of course, they are playing at home. And they are even here, 17-12. 13-17. 13 for Kwatanze, 17 for Bishop Silemeti. These girls, not fair at all. Far from Bishop Silemeti. They are attacking and attacking. They're the 7th player in the cheering squad. $14 for Kwatanze, 18 for Bishop Silemeti. Kwatanze serving. Versus Amut. Buktir versus Vinci. That will be the team in the soccer. 13. Bishop Silemeti, 19. And 14 for Kwatanze. 14. Girls. Tough match here. So match. Boys. Two. Are really exacting the Bishop Silemeti. They have bring the game to Kwatanze. They are leading by 19-14. Bishop Silemeti lead in the second set. Set. Will you be? Let's go there from the girls from Kwatanze and Kwatanze 19 Bishop Silemeti. What about kusema? Now goes to 16-19. 3 scores. 3 scores separate the two teams. And Bishop Silemeti 19-16 for Kwatanze. Also seen the 4 chair Western. Province 17-19 on Bishop Silemeti call a time separation, and it is 19 for Bishop Silemeti, 17 for Kwatanze, and Bishop Silemeti calls timeout. The last time they played in the Nationals here, their member of parliament was here. I don't know whether he's there. He's called Mheshimiwa Naboera. Sijamuona leo, pengine bado wako nasi. But Bishop Silemeti now is leading. Yes, I've seen the member of parliament, Mheshimiwa Naboera, is right here. Kwatanze 17, Bishop Silemeti 19. For Bishop Silemeti Heist from Lugari. 17. Watanze. For Bishop Silemeti, 21-17. 4 scores. Fireworks here, everything to play for. I don't know what the MP for Bishop Silemeti has promised them, but they are dying with every score here. The fight. Here. The game is getting heated here. It's getting hot and hotter and hottest. 1922. Kwatanze 19. Bishop Silemeti 22. They make it 2022. 2022. On timeout is called
Western Region, Mr. Wasfa.
DJ Radi sounds. DJ Radi sounds. 20.
Subcounty Amunia Daktari K-Pop Tom Tomuse
and 22 for Bishop Silemeti. They call second timeout. Bishop Silemeti. My sound has refused from inside, so I need to watch the action from out and see how it goes. (21-22). 21-22. Those blocks are total. And they make it 22-22. Kwatanze 22. Bishop Silemeti 22. They have come from 18. They are 22-22. for Bishop Silumeti and 22 for Kwatanze. Bishop Silumeti serving. Fireworks here. Moto kama pasi. 23-23 in the second set. Kwatanze serving. The tension is palpable. 23-23. Serving Kwatanze. For Kwatanze and 23 for Bishop Silumeti. And Kwatanze take it. They take it at 25-23. And they're in the second set. So the second set goes the way of Kwatanze against Bishop Silumeti. We go back to the game between Soweto and Kesogon, and we will find out what is happening in the third set here. Exciting set you've had. It was next change of score after score, and eventually Kwatanze showing why they are the defending champions of East Africa, bringing in their experience and winning that match. Winning that set. 2 sets for Kwatanze, 1 set for Bishop Silumeti. On this other side, 2 sets for Bishop Silumeti, for Kesogon, sorry. And no set yet for Kwatanze. We in the third set with the set score 11-10 and Soweto. Soweto showing why they are a team to contend with. And it is 11-11 here. Soweto 11 and Kesogon 11. And Soweto now lead at 12-11. These girls are giving a very good account of themselves. Really giving a good account of themselves. But the service is out, makes it 12-12. of Soweto on a net touch by Kesagon. Disco 13, Soweto, 12, Kesagon. I can see Radi Sound is enjoying the volleyball. Another service lost. That is the second in a row. Good effort, good fight. And a good block. They needed to be rewarded for the fight. They fought for that loose score and they got it. That's the hustle. And nature rewards you for hard work.
Yeah, of course.
Good hit there, making it 14 for Kesagon, 15 for Soweto. These guys are really good fighters. It shows just and good hit there, making it Kesagon 15, Soweto 15. Kesagon. And timeout for Soweto. They had 15, Kesagon at 16. So we are in the third set. Kesagon in black shorts are leading. Soweto leading Kesagon by 2 sets, by 20-17. In the third set, they are trailing by 2 sets to 0. And they go to 21-17 Soweto. These Soweto girls are not accepting to go down without a fight. They also bringing the game to Kesagon. The girls from Nairobi, Soweto, Kenya, and 18 Kesagon, and they look like they're going to take this set and make this game even more interesting. Mr. Wala Mrefu, my commissar, wherever you are, I need to consult kidogo with you, wherever you are. 19, Kesegon, 24, Soweto. Kesogon, and we have a give in our hands. 2 for Kesogon, 1 for Soweto. And Soweto, they have really celebrated that set. It has been tough going against these girls from Kesogon. They are former champions of East Africa, former national champions, and giving a very good account of themselves. They have produced for us Terry Tata. Jersey number 4, the best player in Africa in the under-20 category, is a product of these schools and these school games. They also produced the national booster now, that is Kesogon, as Kwatanze has produced also the very top teams. Well done, the teachers of Kenya in Fiesa, for producing these very good athletes that are competing at this very high level. We'll be looking for Mr. Mwala so that we can consult just a bit.